Today, I'll show you how to get silk and craft silk thread in LEGO Fortnite. These are important resources for progressing your gear, so let's get started. To get silk, you'll need to hunt down spiders. You can usually find them inside caves or around cave entrances, especially in the grasslands and dry valley biomes. They're most common at night or in darker cave areas. So make sure you bring a torch and some weapons. When you defeat a spider, it drops silk. Gather as much as you can, since you'll need several pieces for crafting. Spiders can be tough if you're underprepared, so bring a sword or a bow to keep them distance. Once you have enough silk, head back to your village and use the spinning wheel. Place the silk into the spinning wheel, and it will convert into silk thread. This material is essential for upgrading tools, armor, and building stronger equipment. Here's a quick tip. If you're farming silk, mark caves on your map so you can return later. Spiders will respawn, making it a steady source for silk. And that's how to get silk and craft silk thread. Keep farming spiders, keep spinning, and you'll have plenty of silk thread for upgrades. Thanks for watching, and check out my other LEGO Fortnite guides for more tips.